We're hitting a tipping point for artificial intelligence, with ChatGPT and other AI models that can communicate in plain English, write and revise text, and write code. The technology is suddenly becoming more useful to a broader population of people. We don't yet know the limits of these models. All of this could mean sweeping changes for how and what work is done in the near future. Jeremy Howard, an artificial intelligence researcher, introduced an online chatbot called ChatGPT to his 7-year-old daughter. It had been released by OpenAI, one of the world's most aspiring AI labs. He told his daughter to ask the experimental chatbot whatever came to mind. She asked what trigonometry was good for, where black holes came from, and why chickens incubated their eggs. Each time, it answered in clear. When she asked for a computer program that could predict the path of a ball thrown through the air, it gave her that too. Mr. Howard, a data scientist and professor whose work inspired the creation of ChatGPT and similar technologies, came to see the chatbot as a new kind of personal teacher. It could teach his daughter math, science, and English, not to mention a few other important lessons. OpenAI is among the many companies, academic labs, and independent researchers working to build more advanced chatbots. These systems cannot exactly chat like a human, but they often seem to. They can also retrieve and repackage information with a speed that humans never could. They can be thought of as digital assistants like Siri or Alexa that are better at understanding what you are looking for and giving it to you. After the release of ChatGPT, which has been used by more than 1 million people, many experts believe these new chatbots are self-assured to reinvent or even replace internet search engines like Google and Bing. They can serve up information in tight sentences, rather than long lists of blue links. They explain concepts in ways that people can understand. And they can deliver facts, while also generating business plans, term paper topics, and other new ideas from scratch. You now have a computer that can answer any question in a way that makes sense to a human, said Aaron Levy, chief executive of a Silicon Valley company, and one of the many executives exploring the ways these chatbots will change the technological landscape. It can predict and take ideas from different contexts and merge them together. The new chatbots do this with what seems like complete confidence. But they do not always tell the truth. Sometimes, they even fail at simple arithmetic. They blend fact with fiction. And as they continue to improve, people could use them to generate and spread untruths. While versions of GPT have been around for a while, this model has crossed everything. It's genuinely useful for a wide range of tasks, from creating software to generating business ideas to writing a wedding toast. While previous generations of the system could technically do these things, the quality of the outputs was much lower than that produced by an average human. The new model is much better. At first glance, ChatGPT might seem like a clever toy. On a technical level, it doesn't work differently than previous AI systems, it's just better at what it does. Since its release, Twitter has been flooded with examples of people using it to strange ends, writing weight loss plans in children's books, and offering advice on how to remove a peanut butter sandwich from a VCR in the style of the King James Bible.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.